Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. When we are looking to spray paint or spray coat different projects in our workshop, we oftentimes will reach for Rust-Oleum products because they're really good quality. So this is the Rust-Oleum Professional High Performance Enamel, and this is in a gloss black. This is a great product because it allows you to put a really durable and super tough enamel coating on a variety of surfaces. You can put this on a lot of different types of materials, and it leaves you with a really tough enamel coating that is going to be able to stand up to all kinds of use. You can even use this on industrial type projects. So we use this on a piece of bare metal after it had been primed first. Then we sprayed this on and super happy with the results. It sprays really nice and evenly. It puts a nice coat on it. It's got a really nice shine to it. And overall, it just gives this part the protection that we wanted it to have. So if you're looking to use a high quality enamel spray for your next project, then I would definitely reach for this Rust-Oleum product. And that's my point of view.